Lake Winnipesaukee is where the world comes to play, and no one does lakeside living quite like the lakeside community of Meredith Bay. Whether you're looking for a year-round residence or a four-season vacation home, Meredith Bay offers a multitude of beautiful home choices to suit any lifestyle, from single-family homes to townhomes and condos. I'm Colleen Fell, and this is At Home on the Lake with Meredith Bay. The Meredith Bay community offers stunning four-season views of Lake Winnipesaukee and the Belknap mountain range. For the ultimate private escape by the lake, single-family homes at Meredith Bay are the perfect place to make memories with your loved ones. These Craftsman-style, energy-efficient homes are customizable from a design portfolio with personalized finishes and features. Plus, you can choose your own home site, or if you want to be a part of the lakeside living now, you can choose a beautiful move-in ready home. If you're looking for a low-maintenance lock-and-leave option, Meredith Bay's Adirondack-style townhomes are perfect for year-round family fun and entertainment. These homes are 2,400 square feet of rustic design and incredible lake views. The space is also flexible to options including a home office, additional guest suite, or home theater. And finally, the Lodge Condominiums are one of Meredith Bay's newest offerings. And this kind of real estate is rare in the Lakes region. These single-floor luxury condos are situated on an idyllic hillside overlooking the lake and its islands. The 2 to 3 bedroom, 1,800 square foot homes offer luxury features like stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and custom fixtures. Plus, as an extra convenience, the building has its own heated underground parking garage. Meredith Bay was created to give lake lovers a beautiful place to call home that's always warm and welcoming. As part of the vibrant Meredith Bay community, residents have access to special amenities including a beach club, fitness center, walking trails, and not to mention all the lake activities like boating, fishing, or waterfront dining. Whether you're introducing your family to a new world of lakeside living or you're looking for a cozy place for year-round entertainment, Meredith Bay has the perfect home for you. Schedule your personal tour today and see why Meredith Bay is the #1 new home community in the Lakes region. For more details, you can check out meredithbaynh.com.